SAT math people. Today we are going to use the distance formula to solve a problem. Okay, let's do some math. Segments AP and BP have the same length. If the coordinates of A and P are -1, 0 and 4, 12 respectively, which could be the coordinates of B? So I've plotted AP and also have put down the distance formula, which is just the change in x squared minus the change in y squared. So the distance of AP is 4 minus a -1 squared plus the quantity 12 minus 0 squared, which is 25, the square root of 25 plus 144. 25 plus 144 is 169, and the square root of that is 13. So let's try the first point, number 1. And that is, we plug in, everywhere you see x, we're going to plug in 3/2, and where you see y, we're going to plug in 6 for that distance formula. And we're going to use the point B, because we want to find BP. Okay, so we have 3/2 minus 4 quantity squared plus 6 minus 12 quantity squared. 3/2 minus 4 is 5/2, and because 4 is 8/2, and 6 minus 12 is -6. So we have 25/4 plus 6 squared is 36, which is equal to 25/4 plus 36 is the same as 144/4, which is the square root of 169 or 4, which is 13/2. So that's wrong. So 1 cannot be true. Let's try the second one, 9/24. I'm doing the same thing, plugging it into that distance formula, and I get the square root of 9 minus 4 squared plus the quantity 24 minus 12 squared. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 24 minus 12 is 12. So the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, and I get the square root of 25 plus 144, which is the square root of 169, which is 13. So that's the same as AP, so that's going to work. All right, let's try number 3. -8 minus 4 squared plus 7 minus 12 squared, the square root of that whole thing is going to be 12 squared plus -5 squared. And that's 144 plus 25 under the square root, which is the square root of 169, which is 13. So that's also true. So 2 and 3 are true, and B is the answer.